Hello, everybody. This is Casa Versalles in the Versalles area, Puerto Vallarta. It's a two-car garage. This is the entrance to the garden, entrance to the house. On the right, there's one bedroom with large closet space, a full bathroom, another bedroom. This is the living room area, dining room, kitchen, this is the outside area, another dining room area, garden. There is a laundry room over here. There is one studio over in this part with full bathroom. And we are going to see the master bedroom. You go upstairs. The master bedroom is a very large master bedroom, bright and big, large closet space. There is an office space here. You have air conditioning in all the bedrooms. It's a large bathroom, shower, two sinks, and more closet space. So this is Casa Versalles. Thank you.